Hi guys, Funk here, Skill Street Garage, and today's project is the Volkswagen Beetle. I'll apologise now for my voice. I've got a wicked sore throat, and I'm going to do this one as a speed video, just so I don't have to keep talking as much. I do apologise guys. Just about to pull it apart. The usual, drill out the posts, and then we'll tap them ready for the 2mm button screws later. And this is where we're about to speed it up a little bit. Pull it apart. Interior, 8 pops of glass. The wheels will be changed later. Just going to deburr these posts so it all fits together nicely afterwards. And there he knows it fits into the bare strip. Let's get rid of this paintwork. 15-minute soak, that's all it needs. As Sam Road says, a quick shave for good luck. Just checking in, make sure. Yeah, that's coming off nicely. Give that a quick wash off with warm soapy water. As you may have guessed, this one's having a roof chop. Just marking out, just checking it to make sure that's what I want to do. Here comes a trusty WD-40. Absolutely love these saws, think they're brilliant. So just don't put a lot of pressure on. Make sure you oil the blade, and they go fine. Managed to do this without breaking a single blade. Just got to be cautious, that's all. A quick shout out here to a fellow builder, Jim Silver. Get your saw out, mate. This will be you soon. You need to get practicing. If any of you haven't seen Jim's channel, go and take a look. He does some brilliant stuff. There we go. Now we can just file the edges off. Make sure it's all nice and smooth. As you'll have noticed, I've kept the front screen, where we're going for a convertible this time. We're not just going to lower the roof, we're completely removing it. Using the Judah hacksaw there. It's a little bit tougher just to get down them bottom corners. As you'll see, I put the interior in. The main reason for this is we're actually going for a two-seater roadster. These were done as a kit back in the 1980s on the real Beetles, and if I remember correctly, it was called a Wizard kit. Wizard Roadster. I remember seeing one and thinking, one day I'll make one of them. I didn't think I'd be doing it as a Hot Wheel. Well, I fulfilled my dreams. I've actually built one. Just building the front wings up now. Going to make it into a twin headlight. It says there, allow it to set completely. And now we can sand it and file it to shape. This really put is brilliant stuff. It takes a little while to go off. I love this stuff. I think it's brilliant. Pardon me. Well, you got to remember, if you're filing it, keep a wire brush handy, just to clean the file out every now and again. You see, I'm just putting some black paint marker on. It's just so that when you're sanding it down, you can see then if you've got any high spots or low spots, anywhere that you need filling or anywhere that you need extra sanding before the paint job. I'm using black there as an undercoat, and the colour on top is, it's called neochrome. It's a chameleon flip paint, and you can't see it there, but it actually changes from a fuchsia pink to a nice silver. Using a leather punch, just cut some bits of styrene out, just for the new headlights. Fiddly buggers. A little dab of super glue. And on the gun. Because I'm doing an actual wheel change, I'm just cutting around the axle blocks, just so that I can raise the wheels up inside. I did like the stance of the car. I thought it looked hideous. It's blacking out the interior. This has been an absolute fun build, this one. Time to get back together. Nice easy one, this one. Just putting the new wheels in. And then holding it together with just the little flanged button head screws, little 2mm self tappers. Forgot to put the rear screw in. Here we go. Project complete. Absolutely love it. I think it's brilliant. So here's what we start off with, guys. Volkswagen Beetle, sit up and beg for your dinner. Ridiculously wide wheels, ridiculous stance. I just thought it was ugly. Which is a shame because a little bit lower down, smaller wheels would look beautiful. And here's my version. 2-seater roadster. Twin headlight conversion. Near chrome flip paint. Going from fuchsia pink to a nice pearlescent silver. Hope you like it, guys. Give us a thumbs up. Give us some feedback. Leave some lovely comments below. Let me know what you think. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Absolutely love it. Thanks, guys. Sorry about my throat. I really do apologise. And catch you all soon. Got the Halloween build coming up, so keep tuning in.